right, man.
We're gonna go in 3, 2, roll.
All right. Well, Shane, you got us all out here.
I did.
It's not easy. It's not
I hope we're not
terrible.
regretting it yet.
What is the... So why are we out here? Tell us the why.
Main purpose is, this is the daily journey that people go through every day in sub-Saharan Africa, parts of Asia, South America, literally everywhere that doesn't have access to good water infrastructure. And so most of their day is spent fetching water with buckets, drums, various containers, baskets on their head. And they got to wake up from any time from 3:30 in the morning and do that all the way till about 8 p.m. at night. And they do multiple trips.
And what is Operation Water looking to do to change that? How are you guys going?
So Carbon and Operation Water teamed up. Operation Water is the water infrastructure itself, the piping, the project finance piece of this to actually lay the foundation to get water to people's homes. Carbon is actually teaming up with them to develop a sustainable village model, as some of my colleagues have done in the past in parts of China and India. And that model means that we're going to have water filtration regardless of where the water source comes from, even though it's coming from piped infrastructure. Sometimes there can be issues with the quality. So we have a portfolio company that does water filter right at the point of consumption. And so we also want to use sustainably sourced materials and naturally occurring materials in those villages and create a zero waste society as much as possible. Bring energy, communication, and then through that we can use our AI delivery platform for education, where we have a technology that actually learns how an individual thinks and prescribes a learning pathway for them. So we can teach them math, reading, STEM, vocational, trade. And the idea is to not just provide education, but GDP growth. Because by elevating these communities and having skilled labor forces, we can actually create communities and societies that thrive.
Got it. Okay, very well said. Awesome.
And the Operation Water folks, so they all come from a lot of Wall Street and private equity backgrounds, project finance. And then we bring the operations. Yep. I'll carry a